I don't like this. This is rough. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Oh no, we're not doing 2 miles of this. Okay, let's do this.
Our first stop is going to be at the Bombay Beach sign, where we're going to meet 2 new friends and subscribers, Anna and Sherry. I met them at the sign, and they were kind enough to take a picture of me and Missy, and they said that they'd like to take a picture with Missy also. So we took a couple pictures. It was great. Really enjoyed meeting the 2 of them. And then it's off to Salvation Mountain, which is the focal point for today.
Welcome to Bombay Beach. This is it. All right. Okay. We're here. See what we got. Bombay Beach. Awesome. What have I gotten myself into here? Uh-oh. They're resurfacing. I don't think I want to go down that road. Yeah, I don't want to get a bunch of tar on Missy. So we're just gonna, Ski Inn is down there. I wanted to see that, but not at the cost of getting tar and everything on Missy. So we're gonna go a different route. We're gonna continue on. We're gonna take a couple pictures here, but we're gonna continue on.
Say hi to Anna and Sherry. It was great meeting you that day, ladies. Thanks again.
I don't like this. This is rough. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I don't think I might. If it's like this, I'm not digging this. Yeah, this ain't happening. Oh no, we're not doing 2 miles of this. So this is it. This is basically the entrance, the way in to Slab City. But Roaming Dogs, East Jesus, Slad City Library. We made it. Seemed like it took forever, but we made it. Let's go check it out. That is that. So this is Salvation Mountain. That was a torturous 2.5 mile road. I had to do it basically at 1 mile an hour. It was extremely bumpy. So here we go. This is Leonard Knight's creation. Wow. Paint. It says keep off of that. Not this. Okay. That's something or what?
Well, today is all about my trip to Salvation Mountain and the man that created it, Leonard Knight. He was something else. I would have loved to have sat down and had a conversation and a cup of coffee with him. He was born in November of 1931 and over in Burlington, Vermont, East Coast. He grew up there, but he was drafted in the Army at the age of 20 in World War II. Obviously, Salvation Mountain is all about his Christian faith and him wanting to spread the word. But he wasn't always that way. I mean, he didn't receive the Lord until he was 35, 36 years old, and he was bebopping around the country up until then, just doing normal stuff. He was a mechanic. He used to teach music. He did whatever came his way. But he like I say, age of 35, he went back to San Diego where his sister was living, and he was staying with her for a while. But she was heavy on him about getting him to receive the word, and it used to drive him away. So one day he was trying to escape, and he just ran outside and hid in his van for a little while. And while he was there, that's when the Lord came to him, and he was a saved man ever since then. But so he was, and part of that was him wanting to spread the word, and he was having a hard time with it. His perception of it wasn't exactly what everybody else was around him, and he was butting heads with local pastors and what have you. But he was trying to spread the word wherever way he could. And then one day in 1970. He heard some commotion outside. He runs out to find this hot air balloon floating overhead, and he's like, and it hit him. What a great idea. He could spread the word that way. So he spent the next 10 years trying to rustle up a hot air balloon, get it airborne. I don't think he ever did, but he tried his best. He sewed it himself, and he lugged that thing around the country. It was a huge canvas, and he painted God is love on it, just like he painted it here at Salvation Mountain. He tried his best, but it eventually got the better of him. And then finally, he gave up on it, and I think he was in courtside at the time, and the material was rotting away and all that, and he just gave up on the idea. But anyways, so he laid down roots here in Nyland, and the rest is history.
Okay, so this area is off limits, but you can see how that area there collapsed. That's like what I was talking about over on the way here. Parts of this is just an unsafe situation, so they don't want you just wandering around so you can get hurt. But it looks like it's constantly under maintenance. So let's go look and see inside this, see if I can get in there or not. I don't know. It's worth a shot. Wow. It is cooler in here. Now I get it. Standing in here, it just got 10 degrees cooler just by stepping out of that direct sunlight. So there was method to his madness. That's for sure. This is awesome. I mean, it's interesting to come down in here and feel the temperature change. Right here at this doorway, you can feel it. Again, this little bitty cubby hole, you can feel it cooling. This is awesome. It's awesome. So, that's pretty much it. I mean, you know, I titled this ahead of time, why I went to Salvation Mountain. And the answer is simple, because of you guys. I got messaged on my Salt and Sea video, among other ones, that folks said that I need to get back over here and check this out. And let me tell you, it was a bit of a drive. That last few miles is pretty rough, and I normally wouldn't go down something like that, but I made it out here. I did it for you guys, basically, because if I hadn't made that promise, I wouldn't have done it. But I promised you guys, so I did it. I'm glad I came out here, though. You're welcome. So I'm here talking with the docent here at Salvation Mountain. His name is Wolf. He's telling me all the things that aren't on my thing here, like bikini shoots that come out here during the summer, you know, scantily clad women. But yeah, Wolf is a wealth of information for this place here. I was just telling him we're going to do a video, and I do have your permission to use it.
Yes.
Okay. So, but yeah, Wolf is pretty laid back, and I appreciate that, because, you know, I'm not pushy either. But yeah, I'm wrapping things up here. Just wanted to say thank you to Wolf. Thank you for being in the video and being out here so we can see this. You know, I mean, people don't understand.
People come out here and visit.
Yeah, I mean, because this is a job. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, maintaining this. Next time I come out here, I'm bringing some paint. I don't know about a bale of hay, but I'm gonna bring you some paint. All right, brother. No, I appreciate you. I appreciate it.
He does paint parties every holidays during the winter season.
Oh yeah?
Like the first Saturday of every month. We invite kids, grown-ups, and everybody to come out. And serving pizza and sodas after the work has all been done, and you know, people just come out here and have fun.
Cool. When does that happen?
It's usually during the winter time like now, but this year it's closed because we're trying to repair certain sections that have been damaged due to some lengthy rain we've had.
Yeah. Oh, it's been crazy. So
I mean, I live in the desert and I look around me and I'm seeing snow in the mountains.
Yeah. Yeah,
I
I'm telling
gave
you.
that up in North Dakota.
No, brother. I'm telling you, you can go to Palm Springs right now and look up, and all the mountains are covered in snow.
I know,
It's
it's
absolute.
ridiculous.
It's insane.
And we've had unusual amounts of wind, rain, cool weather. Usually you come in this time of year and it's like 100 degrees outside.
Yeah. Yeah. No, this is beautiful. What is it like? It's like 75 degrees right now.
Yeah.
I can get used to this. I'm getting spoiled of this because I know in a couple months it's all
gonna
going to change.
hot out here.
All right, brother. No, again, I appreciate you, man. Look here.
It's no problem.
I'll be back.
Cool.
Thanks a lot. Take care, Wolf.
Well, I guess the sign warned me on the way in, and there you have it. Be careful of loose dogs out here, especially if you're on a motorcycle. Well, I really enjoyed my trip, as I enjoy all my trips. I hope you enjoyed it. But like I say in all my videos, when you're out here on these roads, especially on a motorcycle, be careful and be kind.